So I'm Patrick Therrien. I am the COO of SunWash Technologies, and SunWash Technologies is a leader in self-cleaning coatings. When light is radiated on the surface of our self-cleaning coatings, they produce a hydroxy radical which is able to go off and essentially degrade any organic or biological material that are found on the surface of the coating. So one of the major applications for this is in the food industry, where they struggle to maintain sanitary environments. So by applying our coating in these areas where they're having difficulties, we are able to give them a sustainable self-cleaning environment to aid them in their sanitary needs. SunWash technology, the original technology was developed in the lab of Paul Carpenter at the University of Western Ontario. It was developed about 7 years ago. And from that point, he started a collaborative agreement with a local entrepreneur, Dan Jenkin, and on something completely different. And then through talking or whatever, they decided that they would take on this technology and try to commercialize it. And then I came in later on, probably about two years later, and I heard what they were talking about, and I drank the Kool-Aid, if you will, and I came on board, and then we incorporated the company in November of 2012. Since then, we've worked hard to develop a pilot scale facility where we're able to develop these coatings and test them. We've hired a fantastic chemist in Jeremy Van Esbroek, and we've just been working hard now to scale up the technology so we're able to deploy it across Ontario first, but ultimately North America. In terms of competitors on the market, the closest thing would be your regular antimicrobial coatings. These are coatings where they've added an antimicrobial agent to the coating to prevent bacteria or microorganisms growing on the surface. These don't find a lot of use in the food industry because the same things that they use to prevent bacterial growth have a potential to get into the food that people are producing. So they can leach out of the coating, they can enter your food, and because they are harmful for microorganisms, they typically tend to be harmful for humans as well. So these don't find much use in the food industry at all. Our solution uses a catalyst, which is much safer. And it only works when light is shone on the surface. So right now, SunWash Technologies is scaling up their production. We now have a saleable product that we're ready to launch onto the market, and we are actively looking for applications out in the industry, typically around Ontario, but as well we're looking for application companies to help distribute our product across Canada. So we're saleable, and we're going to be out on the market shortly. While we're currently focused on the food industry, we are looking at many other markets for this technology, such as hospitality, at restaurants, locker rooms, kitchens, anywhere, public spaces, anywhere where there's a potential for self-cleaning coatings. So SunWash is a leader in self-cleaning coatings. For more information, please visit us at www.sunwash.ca.